Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A little bit of changes on the exhaust. This is my vibrant muffler. Used to be a Resonator. The Yonaka muffler is a little bit too quiet in my taste. I think having a turbo on the motor, it quieted it down a bit. I like it when it's a NA setup. I was thinking of giving this muffler a lick of paint, just to not to attract an attention so much, but I think having that red it gives away. I'm gonna clean this off, remove this, and maybe grind some of this waste material. Got everything all welded up. I'm gonna polish this up a little bit just to get the race material off, and it will be good. I'll remove this. All right. Let's hear it. What do you guys think? I say it's better than that one right there, huh? This one sounded good on NA setup. And since I have the ability to cut it off, and that's what it looked like. Turned out to be not bad. I mean, painting it black, actually, it gives that sleeper look. So not bad there. Anyway, I would like to add this up also. This is all about the driver side post bracket. What bracket to be used on the driver side if he was about to do a F2B. That was a good run. Another reliability test. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys back. Bye everyone.